What's up, YouTube? It's Ben with Underrated Garage. I'm here with the Vet. If you haven't seen, we did a vlog of picking up this car for cheap, and I made a video of the first 3 things you should do to your C5 or C6 Corvette when you get it. But now today, it's getting a little exhaust. Instead of dropping big money, like the $1,300 Borla system, I went with a dirt cheap exhaust option that is basically just a replica of that Borla system. We'll unbox this thing, see what we're working with. And then you get some clamps and hardware. And a disclaimer. Oh gosh, a disclaimer. Not reading that. Staying up in the air and on jack stands, you can get a good look. It's got the big factory mufflers, overpipes, and then you can see the flanges over there where there's the 4 bolts that we're going to be taking off. That is extremely surprising. All 4 of them broke loose easily. I guess the mid pipe is actually threaded, but the new hardware comes with nuts. In case you do strip that out, you can just put normal bolt and nut on it. Bolts are 15s. I'm gonna get them the rest of the way off with good old ratcheting wrench. Okay, first one. There goes the second one. You can see both exhaust pipes are already loose. Looking at the whole hanger situation, looks like there's just 2 hangers towards the back. I'll see if I can get you an angle of them. Right up there. Yep, it literally just falls out. I'm guessing you just work it over the rear axles. Yes, no, maybe. Apparently you have to drop the rear subframe to get this exhaust off in one piece, or have the car on a lift where you can really maneuver it. But I've been trying and I think we gotta chop it off. Not that I would ever put it back to stock anyway, so who cares? I mean, I'll cut it. It's just annoying. Wish I would have known that, but. There she goes. All right, let's get this other side off. Just to recap what we did here real quick for you. There's the 2 15mm bolts on each side that go to those flanges to the mid pipe. And then there is 2 13mm nuts on each side that go to these hangers that bolted up to the back of the car. And then for me, it was easiest to just cut them in half and pull the overpipe out towards the front of the car and the muffler out towards the back of the car. Time for this new exhaust to go on. I'm gonna start with putting the overpipe over the rear axle and loosely bolting it up to that flange right there. So now that pipe is on, goes over everything and comes out right here. Now next up is getting this rear muffler section on. So there's a slip joint right here that slides over that pipe. Just using the extension with those nuts to get the nuts back on the rear hanger. Tighten those down. And then our last step, take this wrapping off the tips. Nice. You're about to hear the First cold start of my LS1 with its new exhaust, and you can tell me if it was worth it. So I'm in the Vette now. I just went for a little drive in it and I am loving it. You won't believe how good this sounds for a $200 exhaust system. I don't have a filmer right now, so this is what we get. Some clips from inside the car, and then I will get some clips with the tripod outside the car. We'll start with a little skid. How good the audio is going to be, but I'm going to do a nice little second gear pull right here. That's good stuff. Let's see if you can hear some downshifts. Oh yeah. That's the good LS noises I wanted from this thing. I could tell just listening back to the clips. It's not the best. I'll have to get better audio clips with the GoPro, with the external mics and stuff in the future. There will definitely be more action content with this car. They range anywhere from $200, like I found this listing for, up to around $350 plus for this exhaust system, depending where you buy it. I can't complain. It's worth it. It actually brings out some of the deep LS roar. Even with stock mid-pipe cats headers like I have, I'll get more upgrades down the line, but for now, very happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed. More LS content, more VQ content, Porsche content coming soon. I think I've been saying that for a while and I haven't really made videos with it, but stay tuned. Like the video, hit the sub button, drop a comment with what you think. If you drive a Vette, let me know what exhaust setup you got. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Let me know what you think. What's next? See you guys next time. Peace out.